Something came into my mind and I want to discuss it over here. Many of you are thinking what will happen when this COVID 19 would be finished completely, when we will resume to our normal life, will our papers be conducted? The answer to all these questions cannot be given absolutely, but one thing I would say, you have to definitely give papers one day and pass your respective classes. Two things matter, class 10th and class 12th. All you have achieved in 18 or 16 years. Your parents are investing on you. One day you need to return the investment with interest. They will never demand for it because they only want your success, and we have to show them that. Now, one more thing, students say that they are unable to study or they get bored or they are attracted more towards something else. Solution to this problem is think once what will make your future. What will lead to you towards your dreams? Think about your dreams and write all those on the papers. Evaluate, will study this boredom will lead you to success or this attractive thing? Daily think over all those dreams you want to achieve and start to focus on study. You will definitely find happiness one day. Imagine you are the topper of India, topper of your state, district, or class. How good you will feel that moment. How good your parents would feel that moment. Will it not give you more pleasure than scrolling on your mobile phones? Only 1% of people achieve what they dream, and the only reason to this problem is procrastination, that is, postponing the things for tomorrow. Now, how to overcome this? Feel that this is the only day of your life. What you can do is this only day. With this strategy, you can complete all your tasks within that day. So, this is a small method to avoid postponing of things. Second thing and the last thing I want to say is that revision is very, very important. The thing is, when you learn, you know everything, but slowly it starts evaporating from your mind, and after a month or two you feel you know nothing. The only solution to this problem is 3x rule, that is 3 times revision. First revision should be of 1 hour, then the second revision of 20 to 25 minutes, and the third of 5 to 10 minutes. The benefit of revision is that it is long lasting. I know you feel or you think that it is taking time, so much time, but see, it will also give you so many benefits. You are saving your time because without revision you need to start again from the beginning, which will gain take more time. That is 2 to 3 hours again you will invest. Follow these guidelines, keep studying, and lead to success, because you are your only limit. The pain you feel today is the strength you will feel tomorrow. So it is very, very appreciable moment when we feel that because of we, our parents are happy.